Good morning and Jai Hind to all. सरस्वती शिशु जी भगवाला सर इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टैंडर्ड 3 सब्जेक्ट ईवीएस
Chapter 4
water is a point of related to water. Actually in EVS it is one chapter, but here chapter is given in the form of poem. You all know water is very essential for our life, and in all planet only Earth has water, and due to water we all are sustained on Earth. We all are on Earth due to of water. If water is not there, then we can't able to live on the land. Water is very important things for living things. Human beings or living things begins from the water. That it is the story of water. Here it is written that water or water. In this point, we have to learn the importance of water, the sources of water, from where we can get water, what is the importance of water in our day-to-day life. I will wash my face with water, saying Munna to his man. Our poem started with one boy and his grandmother. Boy name is Munna and his grandmother is there. Munna is telling to his grandmother, I will wash my face with water, saying Munna to his nanny. I will wash my mouth, I will wash my face with water, and afterwards I will see with you. We all paint our thoughts with water. Paint means thirstiness. We are having water. We are drinking water. Paint means to drink and fulfill our thirst. We all paint our thoughts with water. We are drinking water. When we are feeling thirstiness, we are drinking water. We all are alive because of water. Here on the earth, we all human beings, animals, insects, everything like trees and animals, birds, all are living with water. We all are alive because of water. Water has been with us for ages. Water is not discovered in few days, because water is started from the beginning when our earth formed. From that time, water is available on the earth. It is not a story of a few days. The story of water is very long. When our earth formed, from that time, water is available on the earth. You can see here the picture of water and the formation of the earth and that water part. Each story can fill so many pages. If we are going to write the story, the importance of water in our life, it will fill so many pages. So it is very broad. Water is essential portion, essential things in our life. Somewhere it is dew. You know what is the meaning of dew? Here you can see in the picture, dew. This is the picture of dew. The water droplet on the leaf. When you are walking in the morning, when you are walking at night, you are watching the droplets, small droplets like this, small droplets on the leaf. That droplets are called dew. Somewhere it is snow. See, when we are watching the Himalayas, when we are watching such kind of picture, those are snow. So that snow is also one form of water. Water has formed so many. There are three forms of water. Liquid form of water is water, solid form of water is snow, and gaseous form of water is steam. Here you can see that is liquid form of water is water, solid form of water is snow, and gaseous form of water is steam. Steam is also water. As you know, water has formed so many. Steam is also one form of water. The river flow, the waterfall sings. You know very well. Rivers are flowing. See, rivers are flowing. The rivers are flowing. Rivers flow. The waterfall sings. From the upstate, from the mountain, water are falling, and it is called waterfall. You can see in the picture. The rivers flow, the waterfall sings, then water is falling from waterfall. It produces wonderful sound. It is called sings. And water swells in lake and spring. Lake is one kind of small sources of water. Those all are sources of water. Here you can see river, waterfall, and lake, stream, wells. Those are sources of water. Next, life on the earth, it has God. Who brought our life on earth? Water. Without water, we can't existence, we can't live on earth. And all living organisms, all living things are originated from water only. So, our life on earth is due to water. Water feels and life with God. We all know if we are not giving regular water to the plants and animals, then it will not live. It will be dead. So water makes our farm greenery. Water makes our farm greenery. It gives life to the plants and animals. But when the bricks in flood, when it becomes in the form of flood, when water comes in the form of flood in our villages, in our cities, it will spoil so many things. Sometimes due to heavy rainfall, sometimes due to tsunami, water come out in the cities and they fill the area of land. Damages are happened, so many hazards will come. Okay. Great misfortune is always God. Sometimes rain is not coming regular. Sometimes so many years rains are not falling, and due to that the scarcity of water will happen and water is not available easily on the land, and that is why drought will happen. Drought, we experience drought, and it great misfortune is always God, and it will damage so many life of people, animals and trees. This poem is given by Shri Prasad and it is translated from Hindi.
Let's tick the activity for which water is needed. You have to tick mark the activity which require water to do. To play, no, we not require any water to play. Okay, so don't tick. To write, No, we no need of water to write. To run a fan, don't use water to run a fan, but we are using electricity. To sing, no need of water to sing. To make a tea, yes, we require water to make a tea. To paint pictures, yes, we require water to paint a pictures, means to mix a color. To row a boat, yes, without water we can't row our boat, so we require water, so tick mark in it. To need a dog, yes, without water we can't need a dog, so water is required, so you tick mark in it. To grow a plant, yes, we require water to grow a plant. Without water plant can't grow, so you also tick mark in it. Next, name any 4 activity which you can do without water. Here you have to write activities name which you can do without water. Playing, speaking, running, combing hair. No need of water in that activity. Second, you cannot do without water. Yes, we can't wash our clothes without water. We can't cook our food without water. Okay? Yes, washing utensils, we require water to wash utensils, and bathing. Without water, how can we bath? Next, arrange the following on the basis of the amount of water that is needed for each of the activity. Begin with the activity that needed the most water. Okay, here you have to keep in your mind, you have to write that activity first which require most water to do it. To bath, to drink, to clean the house, to water the fields, to knead a dough. So I hope in that we need more water, we require more water to water the fields. It requires maximum water. Second, to clean the house. Yes, when we are cleaning our house, we require more water because we have to wash so many things in our home. I hope in next. Third, to bath. Then to drink or to knead dough, or to knead the dough or drinking water, it is depending on us. How many water we are using in it is depending on it. Next, question 4, fill in the blanks. Here you have to write fill in the blanks. Water exists in blank forms. Students, we already learned in our poem there are 3 forms of water: solid, liquid and gaseous. So water exists in blank form. What answer will come? 3. Okay, water exists in 3 forms. Second, 3 forms of water are, which are 3 forms of water? First one is water as a liquid, then snow as a solid, and water vapor gaseous form. Okay, again, water exists in 3 forms. 3 forms of water are liquid water, solid snow and gaseous form water vapor. I hope you will understood it very well. Now write those exercise in your note. Okay students, so I hope you get